This is Kärcher's Puzzi 8.1 spray extraction machine, designed for fast and thorough valeting of carpets and upholstery, and perfect for vehicle cleaning. Like all Kärcher professional machines, operator touch points are highlighted in yellow for ease of use. These include all hand tool connections and the vacuum and spray switches. The machine has convenient storage for tools and the cable, and quick reference instructions printed on the side. The Puzzi 8 comes with an upholstery tool as standard, and the new handle features an extra viewing window to clearly show how much liquid is being picked up. As well as vehicle valeting, the Puzzi 8 is ideal as a spot cleaning machine for carpets and chairs. Different tools are available as options to make the machine even more useful, like the new floor tool with unique pivoting base, which maintains perfect contact with the carpet even at different angles. Tools are extremely easy and quick to change, and the optional detail nozzle is perfect for chairs. The carry handle and large wheels make transportation from one job to another easy. Filling the container is simple and mess-free. Just fill the dirty water bucket with clean water, pour into the machine, and add 2 of Kärcher's great cleaning tablets that dissolve in the water. When the clean water is sprayed onto the carpet and then vacuumed up again, the dirty water is collected in the bucket. Even carpets and upholstery that look clean will have large amounts of dirt removed from them with a Kärcher Puzzi 8.1.